Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Chef the Great here with your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as 3 players get offered new contracts at Kaizer Chiefs. We're going to talk about that. Make sure to smash a like, get your comments in down on this comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's start off with Nkosiphihle Ngcobo, who has signed a 1-year contract extension with Kaizer Chiefs. He had 1 year remaining on his contract, so Kaizer Chiefs have now tied him down to another year, meaning he now has two years remaining on his contract with Kaizer Chiefs. And one of the reasons Kaizer Chiefs acted so fast is because there is a team from the Netherlands who are interested in Nkosiphihle Ngcobo. So by extending his contract means if the team is strongly interested in signing Nkosiphihle Ngcobo, Chiefs have the right to charge them a higher transfer fee. So I think this was a good move by Kaizer Chiefs, and Nkosiphihle Ngcobo may be one of our crucial players this season. From what I've saw during the preseason, I think he's going to be a key player. Ngcobo is a great talent, but we have to be honest. He hasn't delivered. He hasn't lived up to expectations. He's been promising for quite a while now. He's not getting any younger. 25 years of age. Think this is going to be his 5th season. So he should raise his hand. He's no longer a youngster. He's no longer a player for the future. He's a player for now. So he needs to deliver. This is going to be a very, very big season for Nkosiphihle Ngcobo. Now, the other player who has been offered a new contract is Gaston Sirino. Gaston Sirino's contract expires at the end of this upcoming season. So Kaizer Chiefs are interested in offering him a new contract. I'm not sure about this one. I think Kaizer Chiefs are making this decision too soon, because I don't see Gaston Sirino playing regularly in this upcoming season. From what I've seen, I don't think he's going to play regularly this season. Even last season, in the second half of the season, Gaston Sirino was no longer, a consistent starter. He would start this week, next week, he starts on the bench. Next week he plays 60 minutes. Next week, he wasn't no longer, a star player, a key player, So I think Kaizer Chiefs are making this decision too soon, I think they should wait until December before they can offer Gaston Sirino a new contract based on what he does on the pitch, if he gets minutes, if he's still on Nabi's plans for that upcoming season. But let's see what happens. And remember, Gaston Sirino is 34 years old. So I think Kaizer Chiefs are taking a rash decision here. I think they should wait. I'm not saying they should let Gaston Sirino go. No, I'm just saying they should wait. Let's see Gaston Sirino in the first half of the season, how he does, how he plays, and then we can move to contract talks. But let's see what happens. Let's see if they will reach an agreement before the end of his current contract. Now, another player who has been offered a new contract, Bruce Bvuma. He has been offered a new 2-year contract. Why? Bvuma still has 1 year remaining on his contract. Why are we extending his contract now? Bvuma is not going to be our number 1 goalkeeper in this upcoming season. And I don't know why we didn't sign a new goalkeeper, but it's a story for another day. Why are we extending Bruce Bvuma's contract? The guy has been there for a very long time now, but he has failed to establish himself as the number 1 goalkeeper. With the amount of years Bruce Bvuma has been at Kaizer Chiefs, by now he should be the outright number 1 goalkeeper. Very, very inconsistent. Still has a lot to improve and he's not getting younger. How old is he? 28, 29. He's been second choice to Khune, he's been second choice to Akpeyi. Now he's going to be second choice to Brendan Peterson, who found him at Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't think we should be keeping Bruce Bvuma, or at least let's see how he performs in this upcoming season if he plays. So I also think this was a rash decision. No, Kaizer Chiefs are too quick to offer Bruce Bvuma a new contract, and I don't think he deserves it. But let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.